Hello, my name is Milanis. I am a psychology student. I am 26 years old. I am from Cesar, Colombia. I live with my mother, my sister, my husband. I work a merchant. During my holiday in Santa Marta, I was with my family. We decided the Quinta de San Pedro Alejandrino, Rodadero, Playa Blanca. We also saw a beautiful dolphin show, and one of the most delicious, it was fast food, especially salchipapas.
What was your favorite activity during that trip?
My favorite activity, my favorite activity was to complete. See,
What didn't you like about that trip?
that my husband returned before. Thank you, Turu.